Introducing Custom DTF Transfers. Direct-to-film, or DTF transfers, make it easy to transfer full-color designs to most fabrics to create unique t-shirts, hoodies, hats, and more. Each DTF transfer is printed in full color. The special film allows for multiple pieces and spaces in your design, like the gaps between letters. To get started, select a size and quantity. Then, upload your artwork and check out. Within a few hours, you'll get an online proof showing how your DTF transfers will look. You can request changes to the proof for free until you're happy. Transferring your design is easy. Lay your garment on a flat, heat-resistant surface. Place the transfer ink side down on the garment, then iron for 20 seconds. Allow 1 minute for the transfer to cool, then slowly peel the transfer backing to reveal your design. With easy ordering and fast delivery, Mule is the internet's favorite place to get custom DTF transfers.